How much are smart beds? If you're curious about the cost of smart beds, you're likely wondering if these high-tech sleep solutions are within your budget. Let's break down the prices to help you make an informed decision. Smart beds can vary widely in price depending on the brand, features, and size. For instance, the 8 Sleep Pod 4 is a smart mattress cover that fits over your existing mattress. It comes with dual temperature control, smart sleep tracking, and a vibration and thermal alarm. The price for a queen-size 8 Sleep Pod 4 is currently around $2,549, down from $2,649 due to a sale. However, you'll also need to consider a monthly subscription fee to access all the features through the Autopilot app. On the other end of the spectrum, there are complete smart mattresses like the Bright Balance Smart Bed. This luxury bed starts at $3,999 for a queen size and can go up to $5,198 when you include the adjustable base. It features an in-bed massage, sleep audio, responsive pressure relief, and adjustable firmness. Unlike the 8 Sleep Pod 4, there is no subscription requirement and you get a 100-night sleep trial and a 10-year warranty. Another option is the Sleep Number i8 Smart Bed, which is a 12-inch smart mattress with adjustable firmness and cooling technology. A queen-size Sleep Number i8 Smart Bed is currently priced at $2,999, down from $3,999 due to a sale. This bed comes with a 100-night sleep trial and a 15-year limited warranty, and there are no ongoing costs. For those looking for a smart bed base rather than a full mattress, the Temper-Ergo Power Base is a good choice. It starts at $1,499 for a queen size and includes features like snore reduction, a zero-gravity position, and a massage function. You'll need to pair this base with a compatible mattress for the best sleep experience. In summary, smart beds can range from around $2,500 for a smart mattress cover like the 8 Sleep Pod 4 to over $5,000 for a complete luxury smart bed system like the Bright Balance Smart Bed. The prices vary based on the features, brand, and whether you need an adjustable base or a separate mattress. Keeping an eye out for sales and discounts can help you snag one of these high-tech sleep systems for less.